Now today let's start with chapter number 18, our struggle for freedom, right? So let's start. Indian society in 19th century was caste-ridden, rigid, and they followed different evil practices, right? So what they did, they followed different practices, and to remove these practices, we have different social reformers like Raja Ram Roy, Ishwar Singh Vidyasagar, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, and Narayan Good. These are some thinkers, those who fought against these social evils and then inspired by modern ideas and education introduced by the British. So we can say that they felt that education would help India to become prosperous once again, and the British rule in India brought extreme poverty and for among the Indians. और जो ब्रिटिश का रूल था उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि इंडिया में एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी आ गई, राइट? इंडियन ट्रेडर्स Indian traders and businessmen wanted to start business on modern lines, but the Europeans were interested in plantation of tea, coffee, indigo, and jute. And there was great demand of these in England. And what happened? The Indian realized that the British were out to destroy their economy. वो क्यों आए थे? They have come here to destroy the economy and culture of India. So they led to the formation of association. यहाँ पे institution का formation हुआ, school का formation हुआ, and the writer began to publish their what ideas in the form of newspaper articles. So public meetings were held. क्या हुआ? Different public meetings were held in different parts of country, and what they did, they attract the attention of the British rule of their problem. People thought that freedom from British rule was must for solving their प्रॉब्लम. लोगों ने तो सोचा कि जो ब्रिटिश का रूल है वो आपके क्या करेगा, प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेगा. बट इट डज नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट. सो द foundation of Indian National Congress, which was founded by retired ICS officers whose name is AOE Hume, to draw attention of British ruler toward the difficulties and demands of India. कि क्या इंडियंस की डिमांड है उसकी तरफ हम देखें. So what happened? First session of Congress was held on December 28, 1885 in Mumbai, with W.C. Banerjee as president and A.O. Hume as general secretary, right? So what we can say that 22 delegates. इसमें जो 22 delegates है, they came from all parts of India to attend the first session, and they comprised lawyer, doctors, journalists, landlord, and businessmen. Every year, the session of the Congress was held in different city, and during this first 20 years, the Congress had what they did. They made moderate demands like the spread of education, reduction in military expenditure, employment of Indians in higher offices, and formation of council. चाहे वो आपका सेंटर हो चाहे वो स्टेट हो, दोनों पे होगा. Congress and galaxy of leaders like W.C. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, S.N. Banerjee, S. Subramanian Iyer. So what happened? And then Babruddin Tayyar, Firoz Shah Mehta, M.G. Ragade, and Madan Mohan Malviya. These all were the leaders, right? What some leaders in Congress thought that there are moderate ways to bring any result. उनको ऐसा लगा कि अगर हम कुछ moderate ways का use करेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ result मिलेगा. But it was not possible क्योंकि लड़ाई झगड़े से आप क्या किसी को जीत नहीं सकते. So what they think? They think that we should use what the moderate method instead of extremist, right? So we can say that Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and your Bipin Chandra, Lal Bal Pal. What we say to them? We say Lal Bal Pal, right? They among the foremost who opposed the moderate policy. इन्होंने क्या करा कि जो moderate की policies थी उनको oppose करा. And what happened? The masses of India of freedom, struggle for freedom, Tilak declared, freedom is my birthright and I shall help it. And he wrote in his article in a British Raj paper, Kesari. Then we have divide and rule. The mild policy of Congress led to rise of militant elements. What happened? People, they begin to demand more rights. उन्होंने कहा हम और rights को demand करेंगे. And the Congress becomes strong and its movement spread even in common people. And the British did not want the Congress to succeed. British चाहता नहीं था कि Congress अपना जो उनका aim है उसमें succeed करे. So they made several laws to suppress the freedom movement, and finally what happened? They adopted the policy of divide in Bengal in two parts. किसके लिए? For better administration. The main political aim of partisan decision was to divide the Bengal population and weaken the nationalist movement. so that we can make Hindu Muslim unit. Then Muslims, that the newly created province with a Muslim majority was in the interest, and it is the only served to arouse and bring all section of the people in the Bengal. So what happened? The anti-partition agitation assumed a militant form of 7 August 1905 when thousands of people at meeting in Kolkata resolved to boycott British goods. उन्होंने क्या कहा कि हम ब्रिटिश के जो गुड्स हैं उनको बाइकआउट करेंगे, we will not use them, and they bonfired it. Route the Right now, the partition came into force on 16th October 1905, and this day was observed as a day of national mourning throughout the Bengal. And it was during this movement that Swadeshi, or the use of Indian goods and boycott of British goods, become an integral part of freedom struggle. ये क्या बन गया? एक integral part बन गया आपके freedom struggle का. Now, Swadeshi movement. What happened then? After the Swadeshi movement, what happened in Swadeshi movement? India rose in open revolt against the partition of Bengal. So, at a huge public meeting, जब हुई अगस्त 1905 में, it was decided that British good would be boycotted. हम कोई भी ब्रिटिश का गुड यूज नहीं करेंगे, हम उसे बाइकआउट करेंगे. Right? Only Indian goods will be used, and people put the goods on the bonfire. And women and students also took a leading part in this movement. And what happened? The British rule could not suppress this movement, and finally, they abolished the scheme of partition of Bengal in 1911. Right? In this movement, what happened? Actually, the people, those who are textile mill, banks, causery, tobacco, shop, factory, all came and they helped the people in this movement. Then we have revolutionaries, right? So what happened? The movement against the partition of Bengal, the movement against the partition of Bengal led to split in Congress. Congress split हुआ 1907 में, and the extremists, जो extremist लोग थे, उन्होंने क्या करा? They left the party, उन्होंने पार्टी छोड़ दी, and they had a mass movement to achieve total independence. जिससे वो क्या कर सके? Independence अभी achieve कर सके. The young one were ready to sacrifice for achieving independence, and what they were called revolutionaries. Like we have Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismillah, Veer Sarwakar, Asfaullah Jatin, Deyadas Sukhdev, B.K. Dutt, and many others. They joined, and a 15-year-old boy, Khudiram Bose, he was hanged by the British government. British government ने क्या कर दिया? इनको hang कर दिया. Then some Indians went to the other countries of the world to wage a struggle for achieving independence. Madam Kama, they went to Switzerland. वो Switzerland गए, and Narendra they went to Germany, and Raja Mahendra Pratap and Maulana Fakhr Khan to Afghanistan. And the Punjabis in America formed the Gadar Party. उन्होंने गदर पार्टी फॉर्म करी to help the revolutionary activity in India. कि हम क्या कर सके, revolutionary activities जो है इंडिया में उनको हम देख सके. Right? Then finally the British agreed to introduce, British ने agree करा कि हम introduce करेंगे some reforms but continue to follow the policy of divide and rule. So what happened at this stage? The World War first starts break out in 1914, and many Indians hired British government to fight the war. कि आप war के लिए क्या करो? War में क्या करो? Fight करो. So what happened? It broke out in 1940, and the British would give more freedom, but it could not happen. Why? Because ब्रिटिश मेड लॉस टू स्ट्रेंथन देयर होल्ड, कि हम उन्होंने वैसे लॉ बनाए जिससे वो अपना इंडिया पे होल्ड जमा सके. राइट? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.